having a great time.
Wait, point that way to make it go that way. No, where does our right ski point? Over there, right?
Let's see it, Cole. Woo-hoo. How's everyone feeling so far?
No hands in the pocket.
Lexi.
It's hot out here.
It is warm. Such a lovely day, though.
Yeah. This is the best field trip I have ever had.
I agree with that. Nice, good turn. Good job, Chase. Oh!
This is fun so
this
far.
This is the best
This is
school day, I feel like.
yeah, best school day ever. I'm just a little nervous right now going up the hill.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
okay. First time on the chairlift. Smile! Alright, what do you guys think so far?
It's
Good.
fun.
Good job, Wyatt. That was a really good turn. Alright, red light. Hill up there. Keep it up.
It's just a little scary. Thanks for all your socks.
I don't know.
Wyatt,
We're getting better.
What are your socks? Yes. Yes, that's my
Okay,
answer.
so,
thanks. Are you scared?
Kinda. A little bit. I'm getting better though.
I'm just a little scared because I can't turn very well.
Yeah.
Beautiful view.
Yeah.
Bye.
I got that! I got it! Ah!
Good job, Red. Alright, we're ready.
It's fun.
You should try it when you're in 5th grade.
Yeah.
Nice. And it automatically does it. We got the whole crew up here. Alright, let's just, who's going first? Who's leading the way? Alright, go for it. Alright, Austin's leading the way. Hey girls, let's see it. Go, go, go.
Say hi. Okay. Hey guys.
Got a sleeper. Got another sleeper.
I was sleeping.